Good morning. I am Sandeep and I am over here to tell you how you can be safe while using internet. Cybersecurity is important because it encapsulates everything that pertains to protecting our sensitive data, personal information, intellectual property and data from theft and damage attempted by criminals and adversaries. Usually we have two, four, or six doors to our house, but speaking of computer or mobile phone, it has 65,535 doors or ports through the data from the internet can come in or go out. When a program on your computer sends or receives data over the internet, it sends the data to an IP, that is Internet Protocol address, and a specific port on the remote computer, and receives the data on an usually random port on its own computer. I will tell you four aspects by which you can protect yourself from vulnerability on the internet. The aspects include technical, ethical, social, and legal aspects. First, we are going to study technical aspects. Use safe search option while on the internet. Also, check facts before sharing or forwarding. This option is provided under preferences. Select search safe search filter while performing online banking, shopping, or making online payment. Check if the website's URL begins with HTTPS, which stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Also look for a green address bar or security certificate presented by an icon such as unopened lock in the browser window that ensures secure connection. Double click the certificate to make sure the name on the web address matches the certificate. The reason to do so is that HTTP is protocol to define the website as safe, whereas HTTP, that is the hypertext transfer protocol, does not guarantee the security of the website. We use online banking transaction in our day-to-day life, so do not use the same password for different online transactions. It will be easy access to the hacker for your various bank accounts. Your password must not be easily guessable according to your personal information. So use a strong and unique password combination of numbers, uppercase, lowercase, letters, and special characters for each account. We usually maintain a distance between our personal and official life. So we should have separate email accounts for personal and official purpose. Avoid using free insecure Wi-Fi for shopping or banking on an internet, and also for logging into your social media profiles. The old account which you do not require must be deleted as it can have easy access to your personal data. Obtain software from trusted sources because software can contain malware or virus. Access your bank's website by manually typing its URL in the address bar. Never access it from an email or a text message because it can redirect you to a fake website. Never click on links or download attachment in unwanted, unexpected email, even if such emails appear like they are from a known source. Take regular backup of all important files onto offline or cloud storage so that you can restore it whenever you have a system crash or any other reason. Don't click on keep me login or remember me option on website because this option does not log out your account. Remember to log out of account after use. Never share your personal banking details on phone, email or SMS even if the caller sender seems genuine because bank have your KYC information and they do not require it in any condition. Think before you click. Stay away from pop-up contest and study surveys. These pop-ups distract you. Don't visit inappropriate website that you are not fully aware of, just out of scare curiosity. Don't save your credit card, debit card information on website and web browsers. Connect to proper Wi-Fi network, have dual or multi-factor authentication. This option provides you with two or more steps to log into your account, which is more secure. Ensure that the computer has the latest patch and keep the browser, operating system and antivirus updated. Keep a record of all your online transaction made and check your bank account regularly. Lock your screen when you have finished using your computer, tablet, phone, and further set it to lock automatically when it goes to sleep. Do check email carefully to ensure that the source header is from a valid address. Always delete spam email immediately and empty the trash box to prevent accidental clicking on the same link. While interacting with people on discussion forum, chat rooms, make sure the caps lock key is off, as typing in capital letters during interaction is considered to be rude. Ensure that students access only the contents sites allowed to them.